NASA Space Launch System rocket for the Artemis 1 mission successfully lifted off. The currently dual most powerful rocket, the Space Launch, the Orion spacecraft from Launch Pad 390 in Florida, to the journey to Earth natural orbiting satellite.
And here we go. And hydrogen burn-off igniters initiated. 7, 6, 5. 4-stage engine start. 3, 2, 1.
The Artemis 1 mission is a flight test and is an opportunity to better understand the integrated system before they fly astronauts aboard on Artemis 2. But the mission has only just begun. Through the mission, they will have live coverage of Orion's closest approach to the moon and inside look of mission controls and more. NASA is returning to the lunar surface to not only create a long-lasting presence on the moon and eventually Mars, but to unlock new scientific discoveries and inspire the next generation of space explorers. Stay tuned for more updates. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.